Mama, the black thing putting behind you. Yes, like that.
Oh boy, trouble, you know.
Now we are on the pirate ship. Ha ha ha.
To be on the opposite side with her.
Opposite. Mean I have to be here. Got it. Tyler. Oh, Tyler, so focus. Tyler. Tyler, you don't like it.
Good job, Ali.
Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, Sarah. Say good morning, Fizz.
Morning, please.
Connor, say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Connor, say hello. Good job. You guys, this is my nephew, my sweet, sweet nephew. Having auntie and nephew time, my sweet boy. How are you guys doing? You guys see me have new hair? Hey, who this new hair? You guys, I spent all day today getting my hair done. Thanks to my sister-in-law who helped out big time, and she made my hair banging lit and neat. She did the front part and I did the back part. She keep laughing at me because she said the back part is nothing compared to the front. But we got it done. Anyway, you guys, we are all dressed. Another day here of vacation in the United States. We are in New Jersey at my brother's. This is my brother's baby boy. Sarah, be careful. We are heading out in the town of New Jersey. I think we're going to the boardwalk. I think we're going in Jersey City to paint the town red tonight. So it's after 8 p.m. and we're just about heading out. So we're waiting on everybody just to get dressed and stuff like that so we can head out. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. You guys will see the rest of the family as the vlog goes by. So make sure you yes, lay down on the pillow with mama. So make sure hug. You want me to hug you? So make sure you guys stick and stay with the rest of the vlog and don't skip through and watch them ads and enjoy every bit that we have to show you and where we're going to discover somewhere new this afternoon. So enjoy today's vlog and tell me which part of today's vlog is your favorite, and of all the vacation vlogs that we've posted so far, comment down below and let me know which of them is your favorite. And if you haven't got a chance to catch up on all the vacation vlogs, girl, go ahead and do so right now, because we've been traveling all over this side of the USA and having so much fun and sharing everything with you guys. So I'm looking forward to seeing the comments. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the road. Connor, say bye bye.
Bye.
Connor, say bye bye. Good job. He does speak, you guys.
Bye.
He's just feeling a bit sad right now. Yes, Sarah, say bye bye, Faves.
Bye bye, babe.
See you later.
Later.
Good job.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
We're at the park in the night. Look at that beauty. Section. Yeah. Sarah, ready? Wait, Sarah, wait. Now get him. Call babe phone. Yeah. Go, Sarah, go!
Hands down, Olivia.
Hands down, Olivia.
Olivia, anticipate now.
This is Sarah face. Tyler would love this. You didn't see the WhatsApp?
Nope.
Come on, my Tyler. Yeah. are here and I have no idea where the boys are. I am clueless. Why is the camera lighting look like that? I was wondering why my complexion look like that and realize it's the reflection from the light, the different color lighting. Look at Sarah face. Olivia face. Oh. Hi Tyler. Tyler finally reached. Hi Tyler.
Ali, hold on, sweetie. Hold on.
She anticipating the noise. Hi Sarah.
We got blue
Blue lip like she have on lipstick.
Good job, Ali. When it went up like this, Connor just got...
Yeah, but then after I reach around there,
Yeah,
he was fine.
I
We
said,
took him out far.
Yeah, when it went up, he's like...
Because he just moved. It's to make him steer. Sarah. Tyler! Oh, Tyler, so focus. Tyler! Tyler, you don't like it.
Good job, Ali.
Look at Sarah. Sarah! Where Olivia? Olivia!
Ali.
Tyler looks scared. What is going on with Tyler? Tyler! What's wrong? Sarah looking at the dinosaur. Sarah! Now we are on the pirate ship. Ha ha ha.
To be on the opposite side with her.
Opposite. Mean I have to be here. Got it. Got it. Now I got it. Thank you. Mama, drive. Sarah, say hello, Papa. Hi, Tyler. You're going to look treasure? You're a pirate? Ha 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 ha. Hi, Olivia. Ali. My brother and my niece is there. And my sister, Anika. Drive, Sarah, drive. Woom, 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 woom.
You have to be here.
No!
I'll press this to go up.
Hi, Anika! Hi, Conrad! Go up, go up! Press the button on your right, the red button. Pull it down, yes! My brother and my niece. Hi, Connie! Sarah! It's going so fast, this ride. Look at these two. Round and round we go. Woohoo!
You're on... Sarah!
Hi, Sarah. Sarah. Having fun? Tai. Tyler. Go like the horse. Hey, I was dizzy on the pirate one. I was dizzy on the pirate one. My head was spinning.
Yeah, what do?
Anika! Oh, I want to sleep right now.
Sana?
He slept on his way here, Kana. Tired and irate. Come on, ride in the train. Wallo, you don't do good at this, that's all.
Probably not really accurate like.
Ah. Train tour throughout the park, and Sarah is having fun. Sarah, say hello. Tyler. Churros. Yes, Ty. Me worse. Me hungry. Hungry. We need some food. We're gonna look food soon. What's she gonna hide?
When you take churros, me, what I used to always take when
Crepe.
Oh yes, crepes. I want some.
Eh? Oh, she did.
She got it for like second.
Okay, good.
Mama, the black thing putting behind you. Yes, like that.
Oh boy, trouble you know.
Yeah, but if you're coming to close, your head can
No return. Gone a road now. Superman. Hold on, Roxy, hold on. Ali, come.
Did you come, baby?
Roxy, hold on down this. Yeah. I want to see nothing yet. I want to sit down and go. I want a 6 o'clock going to show you the parade.
Let's go!
When it's speed lick, you're not going to feel nothing. I worry, man. When it's speed lick, you're going to see. Step block.
We're living our best train life. Below me a shake. Not at all. They need food. So we're going through the food arcade right now. Over here? Anywhere. As long as there's food. I think we're up here.
No, I don't know if you find.
Wherever we can sit, that's best.
You would sit right there if we stop here, but you want to keep going? It's you mainly. What do you want?
You know me, I gonna say it not really matter, right?
What do you want? Do you want anything here, or you want to keep going?
At least one person make a decision.
What? No, Daddy's going to the
Ooh, what do you want? I don't know. What do you want? Anything. Exactly. Ah. A lot of games around, a lot of activities to do for the kids. You name it, it's here in this park. It's beautiful. And there's a boardwalk. The beach is down there, but it's very dark. It's after 11 at night. And we're out here. Beach closed. Because it's late. And there's a lot of food places. Wow. Look at options. You guys, I am so tired. The past 2 nights I went to bed after 1 a.m. and tonight it's exactly 1 a.m. and I'm just going to bed. We just got back home I am so tired. The kids are knocked out and the adults are just heading to bed. So it's another day here in, I won't say JA, in the USA. On vacation. Afternoon well spent. We had such a good time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little vlog that we had to show you guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.